George Miller, a 29-year-old man living far from his family, often felt lonely in his city apartment. To combat this, he adopted a dog named Crosby, who quickly became his loyal companion. Crosby was affectionate and friendly, enjoying the company of other animals and bonding closely with a dog and cat next door for nearly 8 years. However, when his friends passed away, both George and Crosby experienced grief, and the dog began acting strangely, focusing intently on a particular spot on the living room wall. Initially, George thought Crosby might be having hearing problems or was simply distracted. One night, Crosby's behavior became more pronounced, prompting George to install a night vision camera to understand what was happening. Reviewing the footage revealed that Crosby's actions were deliberate. He seemed to be trying to communicate something to George, guiding him to the same spot repeatedly. Animals, as George realized, have unique ways of signaling their owners when something unusual occurs. Upon investigating the wall, George discovered a hidden kitten trapped inside. The small animal appeared dusty but otherwise healthy, and strikingly, it resembled Crosby's late feline friend. Despite not knowing how the kitten had ended up there, George suspected that Crosby had found her and secretly brought her inside. He cleaned and cared for the kitten, attempting to locate her original owners, but no one claimed her, and she appeared to have been a stray. Faced with the choice of sending the kitten to a crowded shelter or keeping her, George decided to give her a home, naming her Lil Ray Ray. Crosby immediately bonded with her, regaining his joyful demeanor and showing remarkable patience and affection toward the new companion. The story highlights the powerful intuition and loyalty of pets, while also reminding people of the importance of adoption, fostering, and supporting animal shelters.